Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of 100 plus creative wooden wall shelf mount ideas for stylish homes. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden wall shelves are one of the simplest ways to add function and personality to any room. They free up floor space, create visual interest and provide versatile display and storage options. With more than 100 mounting and design approaches to draw from, wooden shelves can be adapted to suit minimalist, farmhouse, industrial, mid-century, bohemian, and modern interiors alike. Beyond basic functionality, the way a shelf is mounted, visible brackets, hidden cleats, leather straps, or floating hardware, plays a major role in the overall look and feel of the installation. True floating shelves are popular because their hidden supports make the wood appear to hover on the wall. Internal brackets, steel cleats or heavy-duty floating hardware are embedded into the shelf and wall, producing a minimal silhouette ideal for contemporary and Scandinavian spaces. Using different depths and lengths or staggering a set of floating shelves creates a dynamic gallery-style arrangement that feels curated and intentional. Live-edge floating shelves retain the plank's natural contour and grain for an organic, one-of-a-kind appearance. Bracket-mounted shelves celebrate the supporting hardware as an aesthetic element. Pairing thick reclaimed planks with stout iron brackets delivers a rugged industrial look. Slender black steel brackets yield a sleek, modern vibe, and ornate cast-iron corbels inject a vintage or traditional charm. Brackets can match the room's accent metals, or intentionally contrast, to make the supports part of the design story. Corner shelves make efficient use of wasted triangular space and can be designed to be purely functional or highly decorative. Simple triangular shelves fit into tight corners to hold plants or small objects. Tiered corner units stack several triangular boards for a stepped display that's excellent for bathrooms, kitchens, or hallways. Floating corner shelves that wrap slightly around adjacent walls create a continuous, custom feel. Recessed and built-in shelving elevates a room architecturally. Recessed niches carved into walls keep displays flush and uncluttered, while built-in units that mix closed cabinetry below with open wooden shelves above balance hidden storage with curated display. Recessed lighting or integrated LED strips beneath each shelf can highlight objects and add ambient glow. Modular shelving systems are ideal for flexibility. Hexagon modules, cube units, and honeycomb grids can be combined into small clusters or expanded across large walls. Modular systems are especially renter-friendly when designed with lightweight joinery or removable anchors, enabling reconfiguration as needs change without heavy renovation. Combining shelves with practical furniture functions maximizes utility in small spaces. Floating shelves that convert to desks, wall-mounted console shelves for narrow entryways, or bench shelf hybrids for seating and storage all demonstrate how shelving can be multifunctional. Integrated drawers, cubbies, or baskets beneath shelves conceal clutter while keeping essentials close at hand. Asymmetrical and stepped shelf layouts create movement and visual rhythm. Boards of varying lengths and thicknesses arranged in stepped patterns or staggered groupings draw the eye across a wall and make strong statements above sofas, beds, or mantels. Ladder-style shelving, narrow shelves supported by a slim frame, offers a tall, airy profile suitable for displaying books and ceramics. Geometric shelving taps into modern design trends. Triangle, hexagon, parallelogram, and octagon shapes can be used singly for sculptural impact or clustered for complex patterns. Use contrasting veneers or painted backs to emphasize the geometry. Nested geometric units, smaller shapes set inside larger frames, add depth and a refined architectural quality. Box and cubby shelves create contained display compartments. Open back boxes let wall colors show through and work well when arranged in grids or playful constellations. Back panel boxes can be painted or wallpapered to create pops of color and texture. These are excellent for showcasing collectibles, ceramics, or small plants in a neat, framed way. Ledge style and picture rail shelves are perfect for rotating art and framed photos. Their shallow depth and lip keep frames in place while allowing effortless swapping, great for seasonal decor or frequently updated displays. Multiple rows of picture rails at different heights form layered gallery walls without hanging hardware for each piece. Incorporating greenery into shelving turns storage into living decor. Narrow shelves with built-in planter boxes can host herbs or trailing plants, while ladder-style plant stands allow pots of varying heights to cascade visually. Waterproofing the shelf tops or using metal planter inserts prevents moisture damage when mixing plants with wood. Room-specific shelving ideas enhance functionality. Bathroom shelves with towel bars, raised edges and moisture-resistant finishes make toiletries accessible and tidy. Kitchen shelves with built-in spice rails, mug hooks underneath, or utensil pegs on the side keep cooking tools organized and visible. Entryway shelves that feature key hooks, mail slots and charging dock cutouts tame front door clutter. Mixing materials can elevate wooden shelving into a design focal point. Pair reclaimed planks with polished brass brackets for a rustic luxe effect. Combine oak shelves with black steel frames for modern farmhouse appeal, or inset glass panels in wood boxes for delicate displays. Marble or tile backs behind wooden shelves lend a touch of luxury, and acrylic accents can give a contemporary, lightweight feel. Cantilevered and long-span shelves present dramatic possibilities but require careful structural planning. Heavy-duty steel rods, embedded brackets, or stud-mounted cleats allow long planks to appear unsupported. For safety and longevity, verify wall strength and load ratings, and consider professional installation for extended spans. Textured and sculptural shelving brings tactile interest. Carved faces, fluted grooves, hand-scraped finishes, or routed edges add subtle shadow lines and artisanal character. Sculptural forms, wave-shaped shelves intersecting cantilevered planks or organically carved brackets, transform shelving into wall-mounted art. Convertible and fold-down designs save space. Wall-mounted drop-leaf shelves that fold into desks or dining ledges are ideal for studios. Robust hinges and secure locking mechanisms are essential for reliability. Fold-away shelf desks can be paired with slim stools to create a compact workstation that tucks neatly into the wall. Shelving with integrated lighting enhances both display and ambience. Undershelf LED strips, recessed puck lights, and backlit panels can spotlight objects and create soft mood lighting. Lighting transforms ordinary shelves into curated showcases and improves visibility for functional areas like kitchens and workspaces. Kid-friendly shelving emphasizes safety and accessibility. Low-profile shelves with rounded edges, non-toxic finishes, and secure anchor points keep toys and books reachable while reducing risk. Colorful painted shelves or themed cutouts encourage kids to engage, learn organization and personalize their spaces. Outdoor wooden shelving must be designed for exposure. Use pressure-treated or naturally durable woods like cedar or teak, marine-grade screws and water-resistant finishes. Shelves for covered patios, potting benches, or outdoor bar areas should prioritize drainage and airflow to avoid moisture buildup. Storage-focused shelving benefits from smart partitions and accessories. Wine cubbies, record slots, divided book compartments and felt-lined surfaces protect collections while keeping them organized. Incorporating baskets, boxes, or sliding drawers within open shelving maintains a tidy appearance and conceals small items. Alternative mounting methods broaden stylistic options. Leather straps looped over pegs suspend shelves for a Scandinavian look. Rope hangers create a bohemian vibe. Industrial pipe and flange systems project workshop charm. Adhesive French cleats and heavy-duty picture hangers give lighter, temporary solutions suitable for renters. Styling completes the shelf's purpose. Group odd-numbered objects, vary heights and textures, and leave breathing space for a curated look. Repeat colors and materials across shelves to create visual rhythm, and rotate seasonal items to keep displays fresh. For items you intend to sell, think about flat packability, shipping protection, and product photography that shows scale and real room styling. The beauty of wooden wall shelves is their adaptability. By experimenting with mounting methods, materials, and configurations, a simple slab of wood becomes a functional work of design. Whether you aim for subtle utility, bold drama, or handcrafted charm. Thoughtful mounting, secure hardware, and a finish that suits the environment will keep shelves beautiful and useful for years. making the most of vertical space while elevating any room's style. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 100+ creative wooden wall shelf mount ideas for stylish homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.